Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install JDK 17, JDK 21, JDK 23, JDK 24. Then see the latest release here JDK 24, and in the month of September 2025 you will be able to see the new release JDK 25 as well. But the latest till date we have available 24. Then see on screen how we'll go ahead with the installation part. For that everything I will give from scratch, and we'll go ahead with the one hello world application as well. For that perspective, simply come up with the Chrome browser here and type jdk se download. See, yes, it means standard edition. JDK it means Java development kit. By using JDK we are able to edit our Java application here. Then see, here we have available official website from Oracle. Then once you are going to click on that, you will be able to see here is available Java 24, 23, 21, and earlier versions available now, right? Yes. Then definitely, as per your operating system, you can simply click on that. Suppose here I am using Windows. I'm just going to click on Windows here. And accordingly, you will be able to see the here available exe file, right? You can simply click on that. It will goes to download, and then double click next, and then to finish. If you want to install JDK 23, then also you will be able to see Windows here. You can click and JDK exe file you will be able to see JDK 23 exe file. Similar for JDK 21 as well. You can simply come down here, just click on Windows. You will be able to see this is JDK 21 exe file. And if you want JDK 17, right? Yes. Then you can simply down type here JDK 17. You will be able to see the JDK 17 as well. So I'm just coming back to here actually. Otherwise, simply go to Google and type JDK 17 download. See, here is it. Once you click on that, then here you will be able to see the operating system. For Windows we are going to download. Then here is available JDK 17 exe file. Simply click on that. I'm just going to download the JDK 17 because this is very stable. Because for YouTube perspective, I'm going to use AWS, Apache Kafka, Docker, Kubernetes, right? That's why I'm just using JDK 17, and mostly corporates they are prefer to use JDK 17 for long-term support. That's why I downloaded the JDK 17 here. It will be depends on your internet speed, right? To download those softwares. Then here, simply open this. Once it open in download folder, you can simply double click on that and go to the next, and finish. This is new laptop here, and I'm going to go ahead with the installation of all the softwares here. Okay, from JDK 17 I started. Then upcoming sessions I will go to the Eclipse, IntelliJ, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, everything I will do from scratch itself. Now simply click on next. Go to the next. This is the default part they are picking here. C program files Java JDK 17. Go to the next. It will take some time for installation part. We need to wait. Yeah, like this is the first session I am going to create for software installation, and I will create the playlist as well. You can simply follow the playlist, and at the time of following playlist, if you are facing any difficulties at any software, feel free to add your comments in comment box. I will be happy to hear help you for that. Okay, now this is JTK 17 installation is in progress. We are just waiting here. Yeah, the installation is done, and if you want to check the documentation part, then you can click on next step. This is not mandatory at all. Okay, here is available documentation part as well from Oracle itself. Perfect. Now we'll simply click on close, and JDK install successfully. If you want to check in local, then we'll simply come up with the any disk, right? Suppose I'm going to open here local disk C. Just type here cmd and just type java hyphen version. You will be able to see in my local Java 17 installed successfully. See, here is Java 17.0.12 version available. Perfect. Great. Now we'll go ahead with the create the first hello world application in this JDK, right? For that perspective, I will simply come up with this PC local disk D drive available here. I am creating the first folder here, Control Shift N, shortcut key to create the folder. And the folder name I'm just giving here Java. Now simply open it. Then I want to create here one .java file. For that perspective, I will simply come up with the notepad++, but in your local, if you have available simple notepad, that also fine. I will use the simple notepad actually. Okay. And in this simple notepad, I am creating the one class. You can say the class name as like public class. This will be hello world, will say. This is our main method I'm going to write here. Public static void main string array of arguments we are going to pass there. Now inside that I'm just going to add here printing statement system.out.println, and here we are just going to print welcome to full stack Java developer Pune. Perfect. In such a way, like we have added here printing statement as well, right? Now we are just going to save our application. For saving the application, I'm using here Control S shortcut key to save the application. I want to save in local disk D drive. For that perspective, I'm just coming to here, and in D drive we already created the folder as Java. Inside that, I'm giving the application name as hello world dot Java. Extension we are giving dot Java. And now if you are coming here, right, you will be able to see dot Java file is created. Now we are going to compile this application and then we'll go ahead with the run. But you know, Java 11 we have featured single line. We are able to run the Java application. For that perspective, simply click here, just type cmd and just use Java and give your application name hello.java. Simply type hello and press the tab button. This is the shortcut key. It will add the hello.java and see here is it your output, like welcome to full stack Java developer Pune, right? Like without compilation, without creating the dot class file also, we are able to see the output. This is the feature added in Java 11. Just single line command. Just pass Java and then give the hello.java. You will be able to see the output. But till if you want to create the dot class file, then you can simply say Java C. Java C is the Java compiler, and then you can mention there hello.java. See, it will create the dot class file now. Dot class file is created. Now dot class file we are not able to read it, right? See, this is the bytecode. Who is responsible to read dot class file? Our Java itself, Java interpreter. It will read dot Java file and it will give us the output. For that perspective, we are just passing here Java itself, Java interpreter, and give the our application name. That time you not need to pass here extension. Simply pass Java and the file name hello world. It will give us the output. Welcome to Full Stack Java Developer Pune. In such a way, I don't want to create this session more complex because this is just like software installation session. Like we install here JDK 17, but I hope you will be able to install here JDK 21, 23, 24 as per your business requirement. Once JDK 25 available, I will create one more session for that. In upcoming sessions, I will give the entire playlist to install all the full stack softwares here. You will get the entire list, then you can simply follow the session. And at any time if you are facing difficulties, feel free to add your comments in comment box. Then thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates and see you in next video.